It's December 23rd, 2010. Toketie's on fore and aft moorings on the Burnett River, which is flooding at the moment. You can see the small docks are almost underwater here. Usually it's quite an angle going down. Now it's going up. We've got the rescue boat out there working away. A lot of boats have left the moorings, are heading up to the head of the river. There's a lot of debris coming down is the problem. It likes to get caught up in a big ball on your mooring line. Ours is clear at the moment. I just spent a while clearing it. High tide is still an hour and a half away. So we're hoping that we can hang on here, and on the edge of the river we're a little safer from the debris. Anyway, that's our Christmas one.